6 broadcast meeting. Woo! All right. Did you guys have any questions on the assignment or individual preparation assignment?
Nope.
Wait, let us start then on.
Not that I know of, at least.
Yeah.
Start on the quiz then. Okay. All right. Did you already answer the first 2 questions?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. All right. Question number 3. Okay. When you are taking a sample size, oh, wait, is all our questions the same? Like, are these kind
of? Reading them, they're all pretty close to that.
Okay.
At least the next couple.
Okay. When you're taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram where the parent population is right skewed? It is skewed.
Going to be skewed right.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, question 4. When you're taking a sample size of n of 100, pretty much 100 people, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed?
It is normal.
Because there's a lot of people.
Yep.
Yay.
Yay. Question number 5.
Go, Nick, go.
My computer's being mean. It kicked me out for a second.
Oh, okay.
Kicked you out of the quiz?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Here, I'm opening it again.
Will this still be your first attempt or be a second attempt?
Okay, it says first attempt.
Yay, okay.
Okay. So first one was right skewed.
Mm-hmm.
Second was normal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When you're taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed?
Normal.
Normal.
Yep.
Okay, I got question 6. When are you taking a sample size of n equals 100? What is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed? Still normal.
Nice to be normal.
True.
When would the distribution of means be normally distributed? Choose all correct responses. Data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is small.
True.
I'd say yes. Data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is large.
True.
That's also true. Data are drawn from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is small. That's a no. And data are drawn from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is large. I'd that one too. So the first, second, and third, and fourth. Sorry.
Yeah, first, second, fourth. Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Which of the following gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem?
There's this one, and then there's the other one that's super close in description.
Which one are you thinking of?
Hold on, let me pull up my individual preparation thing.
Mm-hmm. Because I know for sure that number, like the third one, if the sample size is large, the sample mean will be close to the population. That's the law of
large
numbers. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. So CLT is, if the sample size is large, it will reflect a more normal population mean.
It should be the fourth one, though, right?
I thought.
Yes.
That'll be approximate.
Okay, yeah. Cool. Those ones are just so close.
Mm-hmm.
They're all really similar.
Says it in the reading. It's like these are like definitely different,
Mm-hmm.
like totally different. And I'm like, how? they're really similar.
Do you guys know that we have an exam next week?
Oh, not this week? Next week?
Yeah, I think it's next week. It's on the
Oh.
21st.
Yeah. She's having a little, is it a hangout on air on Friday or something? Or she
Oh yeah,
posting
oh, yeah.
something?
Friday for you guys. Yeah. Wait, really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
And that's what, you're a day ahead of us?
yep.
He's recording it. Well, we can go back and watch the recording now, right?
I think so. I think
I
so.
hope so.
Yeah, I'm driving to Kansas.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, I work at nights.
Me too.
You're
Yeah,
driving to
Go
Kansas
figure.
too?
it should be recorded. But I think it's just he's just letting us be able to ask questions and stuff. So,
Mhm.
all right.
Seems like a nice guy.
Seriously. All right. Let x be a random variable with population mean 10 and population standard deviation of 6. Suppose the sample size of is n. 36 is drawn from this population. What is the mean of the distribution of the sample means? This question is almost useless because like what's the mean?
Is it 10?
10, yep.
And then what is the standard deviation? So 6?
This one I think they want to know like the mean of the sample means. So whenever it says standard deviation of the sample means, then it wants you to do that whole equation where it's like standard deviation over the square root of the number.
Oh, yeah.
So I think it's just
So 1.
okay.
Because wouldn't that be 6 over the square root of 36, which would be 6?
Yep. And that's just equal to 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Ideal.
Sweet.
Yeah, I'll start it. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large, so greater than 30, what would be the shape of the distribution of the sample mean? So if it's saying it's large, it'll be normal.
Yep.
Yeah.
It'll be normal.
Wait, for 10, was that? So for 9, we got, it was 1, right?
For 9 is
9 is 10.
10.
Okay.
Mhm.
And then the other one.
Yeah, the other one is
that-
1. Yeah. And you know how we got number 10, right?
No, I was just kind of sitting here for a second.
Okay, no worries. Do you remember that equation where it's like whenever it says so whenever we're supposed to find the standard deviation for the sample means, they always want us to use the equation of like the standard deviation over square root of the number. The number is whenever n.
Yeah, that's what I thought that. I was just making sure.
Okay.
Like I always second guess myself. So
Don't second guess yourself. That's always cause for our failures. All right.
yeah.
All
So
right. Sorry. Question 12.
what theorem would justify your response to the last question?
Oh, I'd go central.
Yep, it's central.
Yeah.
Theorem.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, let me tell you how we did.
Segment.
14 out of 14. We're good.
Whoa.
Sweet.
Hey. We're gonna like ace this exam next week.
Fingers crossed.
I sure hope so. So I went in, like how I wanted to look over the questions, like get ready, but I accidentally did it for lesson 7. and
Oh,
I
how's
answered all
lesson
the questions.
7?
What?
Oh, you already went through and answered them?
Yeah.
Good job.
Hey, you could teach us
So-
how you can teach us all of lesson 7.
Yeah, how bad is
Because
it?
I went back and I was like looking for it, and so I had to like, I was like looking. I was like, how the heck do I do this? So I guess I pressed on the lesson 7 like learning thing too. So I think I know how to do it a little bit.
That's good.
Because you guys like said the first question, I was like, where is that?
You did the group quiz for lesson 7?
Yeah, just because I wanted to like be
Look-
able to like kind of have an idea of what I'm doing.
Yeah. I always
The group.
look through it before the actual meeting. Do all of us?
Yeah, I think that's okay.
Do all of us what?
Like look through the group quiz before going like meeting for the group quiz?
I'll open it pretty much as I'm joining your hangout.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
looked
looked
at
at it like
way before.
2 hours ago.
Okay.
I was wondering if anyone else did that because I was like,
Yeah, I thought I was studying for today.
Yeah.
we're gonna be need to study.
Guess
So I think lesson number 7 is a lot like lesson number 5, the one with the probability applet.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's why I think I knew how to do a good amount of it, just because I thought, and it went along with like what we're reading. So I was like, oh yeah, this must be it.
Mhm. Yeah, so it's like similar. So it's not too bad, but still.
Yeah, I'll save all my stuff for it.
Oh, right.
'Cause I might not be
Alright,
right. So,
Huh?
yeah. All right. See you guys.
The
See ya. So if we're doing the order, would she be next, Adeline?
yeah, Adeline would be next.
Okay. Gotcha. If not, I can do Thursday as well, but that's if we don't hear back from her.
Gotcha. Okay.
Awesome. Thanks for all you do.
Thanks for all you guys do. Bye.